You know, in the 50s, right? My mom was born in the 50s. She grew up, a lot of cars had like stainless steel trim all over them.
That was a stainless steel.
Was it the light or is it? Alright. Because that thing was really flickering all night. No, I don't think so. Maybe? No, I don't. Do you know if you're having a seizure? Do you know if you're having a seizure?
I don't think you know.
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Sometimes, like you can like hear things. Sometimes it just depends on like the kind of seizure you're having. You can hear things in the background.
Well, let me ask you this. If you're having a seizure, do you know you're not having a seizure?
No, I don't know.
Well, so how would I know right now whether or not I'm having a seizure? I'm not having one. Okay. So the answer is that. Yeah.